Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Rika Davi here, and I just want to be talking to you. I want to cook something. I want to cook okra soup, but I don't know how I'll be moving this camera up, down and center. Okay. Okay, firstly let me be talking. I talked about how things are just expensive, how things are just jumping up as if we kill somebody. I don't know. I'm boiling this meat. I want to boil meat. So I was just talking about it. I said in that video, like, how do you guys cope? How do you guys cope? Do you understand? I don't know. Even the way the things is being, and when you say, okay, I want to run away. Where are you running away to? Where's the money? For example, yesterday they said, oh, dollar. Yesterday, dollar was 1,000, whatever. I don't know. Okay, let's assume now. Let's just assume, for example, that dollar is 800. I know what you're saying, but let's assume. I don't want to say, okay, dollar is, let's say, assume dollar is 800, right? Before you wake up, before you say, okay, let me go and look for this money, $800 today or yesterday. As you're waking up today, they're telling you that dollar is 1,000. Let's assume dollar is 2,000. You say, oh, okay, let me go and look for naira. Before you change your naira to get the kind of money that you travel with, the dollar now will jump to 3,000. The dollar will jump to 3,000. How are you going to keep running after this dollar? Do you understand? So it's not just making sense. It's not making sense. Even though you say you want to jackpot, you want to run, it's not making sense. This is what I'm doing. I'm burning these meats. So I want to cook okra soup. This is the okra I want to cook. This is the meat I'm boiling for it. So you see, you cannot jackpot except you really have money. Do you understand? You really have money. Okay, let me put these things inside that soup. I don't understand. Only me, I'm just here. In fact, sometimes I don't know. I don't even know what to say. I don't know what to say. I talked to the other video that I posted the other time that I went to the market to buy meat. I think it was like 3,500 or 4,000. I can't really remember. Less than 2 weeks, they increased it to 5,000 per kilo. Kilo we used to buy at least, let me say 2,500. Now it has doubled the price to 5,000. So they're indirectly telling us that we shouldn't be eating meats anymore. That's what they're trying to tell us. Even the fish is not cheap. Turkey is a no-go area. Do you understand? I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know what they want from us. This thing, it's just getting harder and harder by the day. And to crank this up, these people will not give you power. They will not give you power. So that at least maybe if you buy the meat, before you jump to 7,000, you can keep it in the fridge. Where are you going to do that? There's no light. So how are you going to save your things? I went to my friend's house yesterday. All the meat she bought in the freezer has spoiled. Can you imagine? The chicken she bought, meat, everything has spoiled. So how are you? And if it's okay, let me be on the generator. How long can you go with that? With the amount of fuel now? I think my sister was telling me that fuel is 1,000 now per liter. Tankers on strike, queue in the gas station. Man, I don't know where we are going on. I don't know. We'll give you like 2 minutes. Fair enough, they've taken it. If you have money even to go and buy your meat and stuff, how long? If you stay that light, you get spoiled. It's not funny. It's not funny. I don't know where you're going to. It's not just funny. Sometimes I just sit down. Sometimes I get scared. Like, what about those people that have more than more than 2 or 3 children? I also heard somebody was telling me when she attended a university, federal university, she was paying. She's a young girl. Oh. She was paying, is it 25,000? That now is 85,000 thereabout. Somebody said they pay 100,000. That is a federal school. Oh. Imagine state schools and private schools. You just carry something from 25 to 100. Tell me how it makes sense. I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm just sometimes scared somehow. The way things are jumping. I don't understand. Okay, this okra soup that I want to cook, I'm just going to be cooking it. I won't wash my hands today. I just do it simple and easy. Now, let me show you what I'm going to be doing now.